Hi guys, nandito ako sa 7-Eleven sa Eastwood. Meron kaming lunch date ng aking mga best girls. So si Karen yun at saka si Lenny. Mga dati kong ka-workmates sa Skin Station din. And yan, ngayon lang kami may mga time para magkita-kita, kaya i-grab na natin yung opportunity. Kaya lang, as usual, ako pa din yung una sa meet up namin. And yan, dahil sa tagal nila inabot na naman sila ng siyam-siyam, kumain na naman ng lola nyo, kaya ayan, ngangata na naman ng mamon. And wala tayong boses, kaya kailangan ko mag voice over, so pagpasensyahan nun na. And eto, naglalakad na kami nito, papunta na kami sa Skin Station branch dito ng Eastwood, at dadaanan namin si Ana kasi naka-duty si Ana ngayon, so pang umaga siya, so guguluhin muna natin habang wala pang client. Sana makalabas siya. Dapat talaga yung plan namin is mamamasyal kami somewhere Tagaytay, kaya lang nag-worry sila kasi nga may lakad pa kami ng mga anak ko in the evening, tapos flight ko na the next day, kaya ayan, naawa sila sa akin dahil mapapagod ako ng sobra. So eto na si Ana, lumabas na siya, chika-chika muna syempre. Video yan. Mag-hike muna. So naudlot ng chikahan kasi nagka-client na si Ana, so kailangan na namin siyang iwan and mag-work na siya. Ay, may entrance nga. Art Boom. Asan yung musical ano? Sinip naman to. Wala na. Ha?
Pwede mo. 449.
So, change of mind kami. Change kami ng hahanap na kami ng makakainan kasi hindi namin nagustuhan yung dapat namin panunuorin or pupuntahan. So, di pa tayo ng venue, hanap tayo ng makakainan. So, samahan nyo kami, lakad-lakad muna tayo. Hindi, ano ba alam mo kainan? Sarado pa ata eh. So, nakakita na kami ng kakainan namin. Nandito na kami ngayon sa Romantic Baboy. At, ano siya, Korean style siya. So, eto, kanya-kanya ang luto para makakain ng masarap at maayos. So, samahan nyo na lang kami guys. Watch na lang.
Do you want to know?
So, after namin kumain, lakad kami ulit. Hanap kami kung saan kami makakapasyal dito sa Eastwood at makapag-picture taking. So, samahan nyo na lang kami, guys.
바람이 불어온 그 밤에 꺼지냈던 조각들이 난 떠올라 순간에 falling down 감추려 애썼던 마음 다 들킬까.
So, sorry guys kasi hindi na kami nakapag-video after namin kumain and maglakad-lakad. Puro pictorial na ang naganap. So, watch nyo na lang po yung mga pictures namin. Thank you for watching.
You say that I'm psychotic, but then you like it like that. conversation changes and I want you right back, right back. You say that I'm hypnotic and that I caught you like that. It's like every time I walk into the room, you know you want what I have, I have. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess I'm a little unconventional. So call it what you wanted, 'cause when I leave you like that, it's like every time I settle down, I turn around and want what I had, I had. I know that it's a gamble to put your heart in my hands, but if you give me just a little time, I'll show you something you never had, never had. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back. Moving in, moving on. Turn it on, turn it off. Can't tell if I love you right back, but you love me like that. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, 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 oh. Guess I'm a little unconventional. Oh, light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a mess. Guess I'm a little, guess I'm a little. Light bulb goes off in your head. You say I'm a little odd. I love to make a.
So, after Eastwood, diretso kami dito sa Gateway and dinaanan namin si Norma. And syempre, nandun si Joanne, kaya nagkita-kita na naman kami. And after noon, nag-decide kami mag-snack sa food court. Bumili sila ng coffee sa Starbucks at yan, dun kami kumain sa food court. So, hanggang dito na lang guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next vlog. Bye guys!